There's a changes here. Artisan is a partnership of Facebook Bell and there's a Lucas Pharmacy, Taxi Logan, and other convenience store nearby. And also, I just miss the lyrics. City Butter Shop.
Ba't di mo sinabi nung una pa lang ako ang kailangan, pero di ang mahal?
Ano nagpapasaya kay Lera Lebusan?
Artwork. Kahit napapagalitan ako at nahihirapan.
So to mesmerize this live, thank you to my sister Pressy Cristobal for treating us. Lechon. To si Chicken Star to. Magkano na doon?